2018 Aston Martin Vanquish. Vanquish S is honed for a truly remarkable driving experience. Shifting in just 130 milliseconds, the Touchtronic III ZF 8-speed automatic transmission delivers astounding performance and shift speed. The V12 engine gives Vanquish S its powerful performance. 580 bhp 201 phone 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds. It's these numbers that truly make Vanquish S an exhilarating drive. Vanquish S provides the widest ever choice for exquisite interior finishes. Carbon fiber, contrasting seat accent colors, unique hourglass stitching. A million stitches go into every one, along with over 100 years of history. With innovative engineering, the most beautiful design, the finest materials and available as a Coupe or Volante, we crafted Aston Martin's ultimate super great. We created Vanquish S. Grand Tourer is a category, but it's also a purpose. We knew that creating our Super GT would demand increasing both cabin room and trunk space, which is why Vanquish S delivers with more legroom, trunk space and a spacious interior for the ultimate in luxury grand touring. Safety features. Anti-lock brakes. ABS brakes automatically sense when a tire has stopped rotating under extreme braking and will modulate the brake pressure to allow the tire to rotate. This increases the vehicle's ability to turn while braking. Stability control automatically senses when the vehicle's handling limits have been exceeded and reduces engine power and/or applies select brakes to help prevent the driver from losing control of the vehicle. Front impact airbags. Front impact airbags for the driver and passenger have been designed to protect the head during a frontal crash. Side impact airbags. Side impact airbags for the front seats have been designed to protect the torso during a side impact collision. Overhead airbags. Overhead airbags are used to protect the occupants' heads in the event of a side collision or other. Pretensioners. Seatbelt. Pretensioners automatically tighten seatbelts to place the occupant in the optimal seating position during a collision. Security system. The vehicle is equipped with a means of anticipating and/or detecting unwanted vehicle intrusion. The vehicle is equipped with an ignition disable device that will prevent the engine from starting if the correct original manufacturer key is not used.